In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check the serial number of your Beats Fit Pro. So we got two methods how to check the serial number. The first one, we can make it on our iPhone or any other iOS device. So we have to go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and then next to the Beats Fit Pro name, click on the information icon when we are connected, and then just simply scroll down and the serial number will appear in this place. The second way, we have to grab this charging case and take a look closely right here. For sure, I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks inside. I'm not sure if we are going to catch focus on it because it's hard to spot, but let me try. Okay, as you can see, the serial number appears in this place. So that's how we can check it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.